In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord gray screen issue on your computer. First, completely close Discord. To do this, open Task Manager by searching for it from the Start menu. Once Task Manager open, find Discord in the list of running apps, select it, and click End Task. Next, open the Run dialog by searching for Run in the Start menu. In the Run box, type %appdata% and click OK. This will open the app data folder. Look for the Discord folder, right-click on it and select Delete. Deleting this folder removes Discord's cached data, which can often fix loading issues such as a gray screen. After that, reopen Discord. The app will recreate the necessary files and download fresh data automatically. Wait for Discord to finish loading, then sign in to your account and check if the gray screen issue has been resolved. And that's how you can fix the Discord gray screen problem. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.